Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you really quickly today how to make the colour brown. And what you need are your three primary colours and the colour black. You can see I've already made some browns before, so now what we're going to do is clean our brush, take some yellow, take some red, take some blue, and that is how you mix the colour brown. That will be your first brown. You can make that lighter by adding, rather than white, you can add more yellow. So on one side, we'll add some yellow and you'll start to get more of a chocolate brown. And then on the other side, we're going to add some black. And that will give you a real earthy, dark brown. So that is how you make 3 shades of brown.